Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to log into your Genshin Impact account. So if you also want to log into Genshin Impact account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, launch open your Genshin application. You can see over here, I've already opened it. Now at the bottom right corner, you can see a circle icon right over here. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here this kind of box will appear. You'll have to enter your email address and your password. Tap on the email address box. Now enter your email address. Now tap on the password box and enter your password. If you've forgotten your password, you can tap on the forget password button that you can see right over here. If you do not have an account yet, you can tap on the register now button that you can see right over here. Now after entering your email and your password, all you have to do is tap on the login option that you can see right over here. Or you can also log in with Google, Facebook or Twitter. So that is how you log into your Genshin Impact account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.